My name is Albert Kinoti. I'm in charge of hub operations at SokoFresh in the county of Murang'a. Murang'a is a county in Kenya, and this is the area we are covering today, doing an harvest for bananas, which is one of the value chains that we cover in this area. SokoFresh is a company that provides cold storage services to smallholder farmers in various parts of Kenya. And the reason for the provision of cold storage services is the reduction of post-harvest losses, which in our settings can sometimes go as high as 50%. SokoFresh also does market linkage. It links the small-scale farmers to markets, either local markets or for the export market. SokoFresh came in and farmers had been able to experience better benefits for their produce. One, by getting the markets at good prices, and two, by reduction of post-harvest losses, which increases their incomes.
We really wanted to set up cold storages in remote areas where production is happening and where access to the grid may not be there or it may not be reliable. We are operating within the tropics where the weather is perfect, and so the conditions are right for utilization of solar technology.
Before we commence any harvest, we normally have our scouts visit the farms prior and identify the bunches that we're going to harvest on the material day. I was wondering, now that you are our new farmer at SokoFresh, how do you find the experience?
It's more convenient. Those have been coming privately, not companies.
Okay.
They buy, we negotiate without even putting to it.
The brokers?
The brokers.
Okay.
So I feel if we continue with you people, we shall benefit.
From the farm, they are hung there, ensuring that no banana touches the ground. They are dehanded straight to the washing basins, so that we ensure we are not picking diseases from the farms and taking to the consumers in the city or the cold storage. Here in the crates, we pack according to the grades because they attract different prices from the consumers. After they are packed, they will be weighed and the farmer paid.
When we set up SokoFresh, we were really looking at how can we solve problems that affect millions of people across sub-Saharan Africa. And so for me, really getting to see a fit between the solution that we had and the problem that was being faced is quite rewarding.
Yeah, for me, it's very happy working for a company that transforms farmers' lives. So every time you see a farmer improving economically and being able to improve their productivity, I have a lot of satisfaction. And in the bigger picture, a company that prevents food loss is also a great satisfaction for me, knowing that we're doing good for the world.
The farmers pay an access fee per day, and this removes the barrier of farmers needing to own the infrastructure. Through PREO, we were able to set up our pilots, acquire the initial first 2 cold storages, and by the end of this year, we'll be having 9 hubs with 9 solar-powered cold storages. We also see the need for cold storages in other value chains that we are not currently active in, and we already see an interest even across the region. And so we aim to grow both in terms of value chains, in terms of the footprint of cold storage, and also within this region of East Africa. We have seen the support of PREO, that such support can really trigger great impact within these communities. And so I would really like to encourage others who want to support such initiatives to really take the bold step to do so, because we can do much more when we work together.